Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of operating systems. If you've ever wondered about the various types of operating systems out there, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Our first stop is the batch operating system. This type of OS is like a master chef in a kitchen, handling multiple tasks in batches. It's efficient, but don't expect it to switch tasks on the fly. Batch systems process a set of tasks without user interaction. Think of it as a series of commands lined up and executed one after another. This approach was prevalent in early computing environments. Now, let's talk about multiprogramming systems. These OS jugglers are experts in keeping the CPU busy by loading multiple programs into memory simultaneously. With multiprogramming, the CPU can switch between tasks, providing a perception of simultaneous execution. It's a significant step forward in terms of efficiency. Moving on to multiprocessing systems. Imagine having not just one, but multiple CPUs working together to tackle tasks. That's the essence of multiprocessing. Multiprocessing systems divide tasks among different processors, making it ideal for handling heavy workloads and improving overall system performance. Next up, we have multitasking operating systems. These are the real multitaskers of the digital world, allowing users to run multiple applications simultaneously. Unlike multiprogramming, multitasking enables users to interact with each task independently, providing a more interactive and responsive user experience. Now, let's discuss time-sharing operating systems. Imagine sharing the same system resources, like CPU time, among multiple users. That's the magic of time sharing. Time-sharing systems make it possible for multiple users to access a computer system simultaneously, each feeling like they have the entire system to themselves. Moving into the realm of interconnected systems, we have distributed operating systems. These OS maestros spread their functionality across multiple machines, making them work together seamlessly. Distributed systems allow for collaboration and resource sharing, enhancing reliability and scalability in a networked environment. Speaking of networks, let's explore network operating systems. These OS rockstars are designed to manage and coordinate network resources, ensuring seamless communication between connected devices. Network operating systems facilitate file sharing, printer access, and other network-related tasks, creating a cohesive digital ecosystem. Last but certainly not least, we have real-time operating systems. These OS champions are all about meeting strict timing constraints, making them indispensable in applications where timing is critical. Real-time systems are crucial in scenarios where immediate response and reliability are paramount, such as medical devices, aviation, and industrial automation. And there you have it. a whirlwind tour of the various types of operating systems. Each type has its unique strengths and applications, shaping the way we interact with and rely on technology every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.